How to hard reset Android phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset your Android phone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to Create, Login, Delete, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First thing you'll need to do is open up your settings. So locate the settings app and then open it up. After you're on your settings, you'll need to navigate to system. So scroll down till you find system, tap on it. After you're on your system, you'll need to simply search for reset options. Tap on reset options. And after you're here, you'll find erase all data, factory reset. So tap on that. And then it should do its thing. Then tap on erase all data at the bottom right. After you do that, just enter a PIN or password if prompted. Then confirm it and then let the phone complete the reset process. And that's how you hard reset an Android phone. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.